It runs nixos.
The files can be functions.
You can version control it. Did I tell you that?
Check out the tutorial.
It's not like Ansible. Pepperoni and cheese on one.
A function always takes a single argument.
The other one's peppers and onions. Yep.
It curries it.
I do have a coupon code.
Taking Y as an argument.
That's right.
That's beyond belief.
You don't want to run your nixos-rebuild without show trace.
The argument to the X function, the function.
This is totally lazy.
Like,
The arguments are curried.
What fucking tree?
This-
That looks like a box.
The next tree.
There's just one left. No, two. There's two.
And what are you gonna do with that?
Wait a second. I think I missed one.
When was the last time you took a shower?
Oh yeah, see the intersection?
No, but seriously, what are you gonna run off that?
I don't even like pancakes.
I don't know about an interactive doormat.
You step on it.
And what happens?
Nothing. It doesn't crash. It just runs.
Oh.
I figured I'd tell you about nixos.
I didn't notice you standing there.
Sorry, we smelled something. We didn't know if it was you or the cat. We're trying to figure it out.
These are shell scripts that you could, if you... I see. It's an endurance thing.
Yes.
VS Code.
Well, see, we have it in here.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you want me to do it?
Go. I'll type it.
No, let me do it. Let me do it. Nix. Space shell. Now we can set up your dot files via Home Manager.
Is there an app store?
I think Larry enjoyed that nixos stuff. I'm going to teach him some more.
Can I get the weather on here?
Oh, hey.
Is that Mac OS? Mother.
Put something else over in this filing cabinet over here.